Before the war, when you go to Port Harcourt, let me take Port Harcourt as an example. You have Umokuru, Umobasi, Umu. But immediately after the war, they now change the name from Umu to Rumu because they had issues that they were unable to settle during the war with the Igbos. They felt that they were cheated in the course of the war. They now decided to make little amendment. But from my own side, which is in Ndone, we remain Igbo and we bear the name. And when you come to our tradition, Ibiana Ndone, Aina Piamangu, Kande, Anambra, Imo. We have our masquerade. And in our culture, the masquerade depicts our ancestral being. They use it to make laws in those days. And these are, if you are not from Igbo land, how do you have that masquerade? Now, I have two names that are Igbo names. Ikechukwu, Afamefuna. Now, if you have that name, that traditional name, and you stand to say you are not an Igbo man, it tells you are not telling yourself the truth. Now, when you go to Ndone, typical example, we have Peter Odili. He was the former governor of Rivers State. Okay. We have Chief Victor Ifeanyi Chukwu Enebeli, Odili, sorry. He is the owner of a Brawa shipping line. So we identify ourselves as Igbos. I stand to say I am an Igbo man. I'm Igbo.
Our elder there said that before the Biafra War, that Ikwerre communities are called Umu Okoro, Umu Omasi. But after the Biafra War, they changed their name from Omu to Rumu. He said that they did it so that they will be distinct from Ndi Igbo after that war. Some Ikwerre people are saying that they did not change their name from Omu to Rumu, that they have always pronounced it as Rumu and not Omu. This document here showed that Ikwerre community called Rumu Omasi is originally called as Omu Omasi. Look at the document here. Address, Umu Omasi. Date of birth, 1954. Baptism date, 1963. Confirmation date, 1966. So this shows that committee called Rumu Omasi was previously called as Omu Omasi. The document is there to back it up. Another document here is called Omu Koroshe. But today in Ikwerre land, Omu Koroshe community is called as Rumu Koroshe. Yet some Ikwerre people will tell you that there's nothing like Omu Koroshe, that is Rumu, that since their history they have been calling Omu as Rumu. I once saw a document where an Ikwerre community is called as Rumu before the Biafra War. I saw the document. It is called Rumu, R-O-M-U, and not Omu. Rumu is the Ikwerre way of saying Omu. There are Igbo communities in that river state that call Omu as Omu. They don't start with Yo, they start with O. We Okwana people will say Omu. Ikwerre people say Rumu. Some Igbo dialects say Omu. All are the same. He said that Ikwerre people felt that Igbo people cheated on them during the Biafra War. That was why they stopped using Omu and started using Rumu. In that Biafra War, no one cheated each other in Igbo land. Some Ikwerre people are saying that Igbo people were killing them during the war. Igbo people were raping their women. They were doing this, they were doing that. No, that is not true. During the Biafra War, Nigeria army soldiers started dressing like Biafra soldiers, and they started raping women, trying to turn the people against Biafra soldiers. Not that Biafra soldiers are the ones raping women. All those things na things where we say Nigeria army use take the fight Biafra soldiers. All those things na things where they do make people they thought say see wetin Biafra soldiers they do. So now all those things they make Ikwerre people they feel say Igbo people cheat them during the war. No. Our brother said that he is from Ndoni in Rivers State. He said that they have Igbo masquerades and they bear Igbo names. The language of Ndoni is Okwane. The way we Okwane people speak in Delta State is the way Ndoni people speak, because they trace their ancestry to Okwane land. Ndoni is originally pronounced as Ebe Ndane, which means where I fell. Up till today, that is the same way we speak it in Okwane land. If person fall, we Okwane people will go talk say Ebo Dane. Where did he fall? The person will say Ndani Nebeni, which means this is where I fell. So Ndoni is a corruption of Ndani. What we Okwane people speak is called Igbo, whether we like it or not. And that is because we Okwane people are not the only people that are speaking the kind of language that we speak. As far as when an Okwane person speak, someone from Nsukka hears and understands. As far as when we Ukwane people speak, our Igbo brothers in the southeast hears and understand. And when they speak, we Ukwane people we hear and understand. Then we Ukwane people and them are one people. We are brothers. We are one family. You can't be speaking the same language with other group of people and be saying that you are not one with them. It's not possible. He said that in their culture that their masquerade is their ancestral being. The masquerades in Ndoni are of Igbo origin, which shows that Ndoni people are Igbo people. When we say masquerade, masquerade is part of the culture of Ndoni people. Your culture is your origin. Your culture is your ancestry. You did not start practicing this culture 50 years ago. That culture have always been part of your ancestors that was passed down to you. Culture is the way of life of a people. How can you now be denying your way of life? Your way of life is saying that you are an Igbo person. You are denying it, saying that you are not an Igbo person. Yet, you are practicing that Igbo culture and tradition. Who are you deceiving? You are deceiving yourself. He said that if you are not of Igbo origin, why did you have Igbo masquerades in your community? How many Igbo communities are you seeing Yoruba masquerades? None. How many Igbo communities are you seeing Yoruba deities? None. That is because those Igbo communities are not Yoruba people. In Ndoni and in other parts of Okwane land, our culture and tradition is Igbo. We Okwane people, we observe the Igbo 4 market days. When we say Igbo 4 market days, people will be thinking that Igbo is only the 5 southeast states. No. Igbo are indigenous in 13 Nigeria states. And we Okwane people are part of those 13 Nigeria states that Igbo are located in. We Okwane people are the indigenous Igbos in Delta states. Eke, Olie, Afonkwo. If you ask Okwane people, where did you people borrow this culture from? They will not tell you that they borrow it. They will tell you that that is part of their culture, that their ancestors passed it down to them. Why will your ancestor pass down Igbo culture and tradition to you if you are not Igbo people? The 4 market days was passed down to your ancestors by their forefathers. Your ancestors did the same by passing it down to you. Why are you denying your Igbo identity, saying that you are not an Igbo person, that you are not brothers and sisters with our Igbo brothers in the southeast? The reason why so many Okwane people are saying that they are not Igbos is because their fathers told them that they are from Benin Kingdom. In Okwane land, our origin says that we are from Idu land. Fine, we know that is a fact. But we are not Benin people. We are the indigenous Igbo people in Idu land. That is why none of our ancestors that left Idu land to our present location is bearing a Benin name. Go all over Okwane land. Ask for the name of those ancestors that founded those communities. Na Igbo name that they call for you, not Benin names. When our ancestors left Idu kingdom to our present location, they came back with Igbo masquerades. They came back with Igbo cultures and traditions. Our food in Okwane land are Igbo foods. In Okwane land, we eat pounded yam. In Benin land, they also eat pounded yam. But that pounded yam where Benin kingdom they eat today, now waiting they learn from Idu land. They learned it from we Igbos. When Benin people were in Ile-Ife, now all those amala and the wedu that they chop for there, not pounded yam. Yoruba food is not pounded yam, but amala and the wedu. In Okwane land, we observe the 4 market days. Our names are Igbo names. Our masquerades are Igbo masquerades. Our dance, our music are Igbo. Our dressing is Igbo. In Okwane land, we use Ofo. Ofo is the mantle of leadership, control. Ofo is law in Okwane land. That is the same way it is in other parts of Igbo land. How did Ofo enter Okwane land? Which Okwane person will tell you the origin of Ofo? Ofo is as old as the existence of Ndibo. When we say Ndibo, we are including ourselves, we Okwane people. When you say Ndibo, you are including every Bia speaking people worldwide. We Okwane people are Igbo people. Our culture and tradition is saying that we are Igbo people. That is why it's very bad to be denying our Igbo identity. You dey speak Okwane language or Igbo language, you dey talk say you not be Igbo person. Same with Ikwerre people. Ikwerre language is Igbo language. Their culture and tradition is Igbo. Yet we see some Ikwerre people saying that they are not Igbo people. They are not Igbo people. So we tell you that they trace their ancestry to Akalaka. That Akalaka is a Benin prince. In Benin history, there is no prince called Akalaka. So when Ikwerre people say that they are descendant of a prince from Benin kingdom called Akalaka, they are lying. They are deceiving themselves. He said that his Igbo names are Ikechukwu and Ikemefuna. Those names are Igbo names. You can't be bearing such names and be saying that you are not an Igbo person. He said that Peter Otonoya Odiri is from Ndoni and that he is a proud Igbo man. Peter Odiri was once the governor of Rivers State. When you hear that name Odili, the first thing that will come to your mind is this is an Igbo name. This person is an Igbo person. Asari Dokubo said that Peter Odili, Rotimi Amechi, and Yeson Wike that have ruled River State as governors are Igbo people. Asari Dokubo was talking in a video and he mentioned the names of these people and said that they are Igbo people, that Igbo people have produced 3 governors in River State. That is what Asari Dokubo said in the video. If Ndone people that say they're not Igbo people, say they be Benin people, Ikwerre people that say they're not Igbo people, say they be Benin people, Enche people that say they're not Igbo people, say they be Benin people, and so on, they are just deceiving themselves because their history and origin is pointing to Igbo origin. Your culture and your tradition determines where you belong. Your language determines where you belong. Okwane people, Ika people, Ikwerre people, Oshimili people, Anyocha people, Oba people, and Ekpe people, where their culture belongs is the Igbo stock. Where their language belongs is the Igbo stock. If you come to Okwane land and observe our culture and our tradition, the first thing that will come to your mind is these people are of the Igbo stock. If you go to Ikwerre land, the first thing that you will say is these people are of Igbo stock. You know if it observe Okwane culture, they talk say these people are Yoruba stock. It's not dey possible. You can never say that Okwane people are of Ijaw stock. It's not dey possible. You can never say that Ukwana people are of Hausa and Fulani stock. It's not dey possible. If you go to Ikwerre land now, if you observe their culture and tradition, the first way you go talk now, these people are of Yoruba stock. And that is because their culture and tradition, their language is of Yoruba stock. That is the same way it is to we Ukwana people. That is the way it is to Ikwerre people, Oba people, Ekpe people, Ndone people, and so on. We all are Igbo people. Let's stop denying our Igbo identity because it will take us nowhere. Nobody they grow for life by denying what he is. You are saying that you are not an Igbo person, yet other tribes and ethnic nationalities in Nigeria are calling you Igbo. If you know be Igbo person, nobody will call you Igbo. If you know be Yoruba person, nobody will call you Yoruba. If you know be Hausa person, nobody will call you Hausa. If you know be Ijo person, nobody will call you Ijo. If you know be Rumu person, nobody will call you Rumu. People call you what you are. We Ukwana people are Igbo people. Ikwerre people are Igbo people. The indigenous Igbos in 13 Nigeria states are all Igbo people. Igbo Bofu, thank you so much, our elder from Ndone. Remain blessed, my elder. Ikwerre.